guys, welcome back. So in the last video we have seen many things. We have seen a midpoint on distance. After that we have seen the equation of the circle and some exercise on the general form of the equation of the circle. This is the general form of the equation of circle. This today's exercise, this video going to deal about this general equation, right? So let's jump into the video, jump into the content. Now we have one example. Find the coordinates of the center and the radius of the circle that has the equation x square plus y square minus 18x plus 10y plus 102 equals 0. So from this we need to find the coordinates. That means what we need to find the solution. We need to find the center and the radius. We need to find the center and the radius, right? This equation, what is given? The given is x square plus y square minus 18x plus 10y plus 102 equal to 0. So this is the equation. This is say equation 1. Equation 1, what is our general line circle equation? What is our general circle equation? The general circle equation is, I write in the red color. So x square plus y square plus 2fx plus 2gy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation, right? So here we need to find the center and the radius based on the general equation. So here what is f here? F equals minus a and g equals minus b and c equals a square plus b square minus r square. So this is same as here, already I told you. So this is the f, g and c. Okay, right? So this is the general equation. Now based on this general equation, we need to find the center and the radius, right? So here, now from this formula we need to get a and b. So here we need to find what is a and what is b. We need to find so that we can find what is r. Okay, so already we know that this 2fx is minus 18x. So here 2fx equals minus 18x. X cancel each other. F equals minus 18 divided by 2, which equals minus 9. Okay, so here this is a. So f equal to minus a, right? So this is, we found a. Now we need to find b. What is b here? 2gy, which equals 10y. So 2gy equals 10y. Y cancels each other, where G equals 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. You get 5 is a, now we got B. What is B here? B must be G. Now, what is the R square? You need to find R square. What is, sorry, we need to find radius R. We need to find the radius R equal to what? Already we know that C from this equation. C equals A square plus B square minus R square. What is C here? C is 102. 102 minus, equals 9 square plus 5 square minus R square. So 102 minus 81 minus 25 equals minus R square. Here 81 plus 25 equals 102 minus 106 equals minus R square. Minus 4 equals minus R square. So positive, make both sides positive. Then R equals root 4. What is root 4? 2 2 are 4. So now R equals 2. Hence we found A equals 9, B equals minus 5, and the R, not C, R equals 2. So 9 minus 5. Okay, clear? Have a great day. See you. Bye bye.